Go. Write H. Good. A. A. Good. P. 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 Look. There's a P. Oh, see? Oh, copy P. P. Good. Oh, one more P. One more P. Good. Oh, Y. Look. V first and then buntot.
I can do it.
V. Write V first. V.
B.
Yeah. Dito, here. Dali, show it to Kuya. V.
B.
Yeah.
This B.
This one.
B.
Yeah.
I can do B.
Yeah, V.
B.
Do V. That's P. I told you V.
B.
V, like this. Look.
B.
You did it, Mom.
What do you mean?
I just realized. Oh. See? Here. Next.
Next.
No, just letter E. Okay.
Letter E.
Copy letter E. Letter E. Come on. Letter E. E. Good. How about L? L. You know L? Okay. How about T? You know T? T. Oh, good. How about I? Good. How about F? F. F is like this. So you copy this. F. Okay, go. F.
F.
Yeah, F. Good. How about B?
B. Like that B?
Like this, B.
Hey.
Oh, like this. That's B. Okay, go. B. Very good. C. You know C? C? Yeah, yan. Oops. Okay. D. You know D? Okay, go D. Very good. What else? W. Galing. How about M? You know M? M. You don't know M? It's like this. Yeah, that's M.